This is Melis. This is Marilis. This is Mart. This is Monica. Light entrepreneur Monica is negotiating on the performance of work. They reach an agreement with the employer and shake hands. Light entrepreneurs do not want to own a business to submit monthly reports, but nevertheless want to formalize the work in an honest and transparent manner. Therefore, Monica chooses the solution offered by arveteenus.ee. It's much more convenient than settling in cash and preparing all the documents on her own. Here's how it works. Monica signs up on our website as a light entrepreneur. She fills in an invoice form by entering customer details and information on the service and sends the invoice. Monica doesn't need to worry about anything else, as the rest is taken care of by arveteenus.ee. Once the invoice is paid, she receives a notification, and Arveteenus sends Monica her earnings as well as calculates and settles the necessary labor taxes and fees. This allows Light Entrepreneur to use all public services, including health insurance. On the arveteenus.ee website, you can also conveniently manage your invoices, find a form for a contract for services, receive free consultation and technical support. Be smart and modern. Save time. Submit your invoices with arveteenus.ee.